alaikum, and welcome to Pearls of Light. Today's pearl is about patience from the life of a great Imam. Imam Musa al-Kadhim, the son of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, was known as the Imam of Patience. His kindness was famous throughout Medina. But one man in Medina had a heart full of dislike. He spent his days spreading bad words about the Imam, insulting him loudly in front of anyone who would listen.
Master, why do you not answer him? Everyone can hear his lies and insults. Should we not defend your name?
I know well what he says, but let me show you how to reply. The best answer is sometimes not a word, but an action. Peace be upon you. I have heard you are troubled with your land. It looks dry and weary. May I help?
The man was completely startled. He had prepared for a fight, not a favor. He was speechless, stiffening with fear. But the Imam did not scold him. He did not even mention the insults. Instead of returning anger, the Imam returned kindness. He knelt in the dirt, just like a humble servant. He worked quietly, tending to the man's farm as if it were his own, showing him the true meaning of humility and care. This action alone began to chip away at the farmer's hard heart. He watched, unable to look away, realizing the Imam's greatness.
If your words about me are true, may Allah forgive me. If they are not, may Allah forgive you.
With those gentle words, the Imam offered a final lesson, forgiveness. But he wasn't finished.
Take this to support your farming. It is a gift of support for your family and your land.
O son of the Prophet, I have wronged you. I was blinded by hate. You answered my cruelty with kindness. I swear from this day, I will defend you, not insult you.
One act of patience changed a heart.
Imam Musa al-Kadhim taught us that patience and kindness can silence the harshest voices. When others expect anger, surprise them with mercy. It changes everything. And it is the true way of the Prophet's family. Patience defeats anger. Responding with kindness can transform an enemy into a friend. Leadership is shown through humility.